Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use Netflix I'm Traveling feature 2026. To watch Netflix while traveling away from your primary household, you do not need to manually activate a setting. Netflix automatically detects your location changes when you log in from mobile devices, laptops, or tablets. However, if you are attempting to stream on a new television, such as hotel or Airbnb TV, you must generate a temporary access code. Now, if you are going to use it on a TV of a hotel or a Airbnb, what you can do is open the TV, then log into your Netflix account as usual. Then on the TV screen, error message will come, and all you have to do is click the I am traveling button. Then choose to send a temporary verification code via email or text message to the account owner. Once you retrieve the 4-digit code sent by the Netflix, go ahead and enter it on the TV screen. This will grant you 7 days of uninterrupted access to that television, and you should be able to enjoy Netflix without any hassle. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.